Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Chronicle access and credentials are ready. You need an admin account and API keys. Once done, onboard one log source immediately. Pick a small, high-value stream such as CloudTrail or Syslog to validate the path. Make sure to map fields and timestamps up front so data aligns with Chronicle schemas. Collect a short, representative sample and send it through the chosen ingestion method. This early test prevents large-scale rework later. Once ingestion is flowing, you configure parsers and field mappings so Chronicle normalizes events correctly. This is where accuracy matters. Next, build detection rules with clear severities and include contextual enrichment, DNS, threat intel, and asset tags to increase signal quality. Make sure to tune false positives by whitelisting benign flows and iterating on rule logic. Continue testing with varied data. As you expose edge cases, refine parsers and rule thresholds. You finalize by using Chronicle's investigation tools to triage alerts, annotate evidence, and assign remediation owners. This closes the detection loop. Then automate repetitive responses with playbooks and response actions, but keep safeguards to prevent broad accidental changes. Once automation is in place, run end-to-end validation with simulated incidents and verify that alerts, enrichments, and automations behave as expected. If something breaks, revert to the previous parser or ingestion snapshot and rerun the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.